Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Celer Network. In my last video, we were watching how the price line of Celer Network broke out a bearish pennant, and we also saw that the price line also had another resistance above this pennant, and I told you that soon price line can break out this next resistance as well. And in today's video, I want to show you that the price line is reached at the next resistance level to break it out and what can be our next expected targets now. But before moving to the charts, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's move back to the chart. This is the 4-hourly time frame, and we were watching that the price line was moving in this bearish pennant since after 24th of November, and finally here the price line broke out the resistance of this bearish pennant. And our target for this pennant was, if I place this trend line at the breakout point, then our next expected target is approximately 10 cents, and so far the price line has rallied up to 9.4 cents, very close to this target. Now let's take a look at the next target and next expected breakout. And if we switch from here to the daily time frame, then there is a very clear resistance we have above the price line, and that is the resistance of a down channel. And here we have rejection. We also have rejection here and a few rejections here as well. I'm just going to connect all these rejections. Then you can see finally the price line has reached the support, this resistance. And if I copy this trend line and place it here, then there we have the support for this down channel. Now, if I place the simple moving averages with the time period of 25, 50, 100, and 200, then we can see that the price line has broken out this 200. The yellow one is the 200, and also this 25 simple moving average, that is the blue one. And now we are having a resistance of this 50 simple moving average, exactly where we have the resistance of this down channel as well, that is in the green color. And after breaking out this resistance, we will have the next resistance of 100 simple moving average, that is also a very strong resistance on the daily time frame, that is approximately at 10 cents. And in my previous video, I told you that we also have a price level resistance at 10 cents, and after breaking it out, we can expect that the price line can reach all the way up to here, approximately at 19.5 cents or 19 cents. I'm expecting that is the tail of this down channel. And I'm also expecting that soon there can be a bullish divergence appeared on this daily time frame. If I place the RSI oscillator here, then we can see that RSI is very close to form another higher than previous high. We can see that there is a big difference from this high, from previous high to this next high if we watch the price line. But if we watch the RSI, then RSI, there is a very small difference between this high, and soon it can form higher than the previous high. And definitely when it will be crossing up this high, the price line will be still below this previous high. That will be a bullish divergence that can lead the price line to start a very big rally from here. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.